happy Sunday. For a gorgeous day out there. You're never going to believe what happened to me. Went to McDonald's, thought I won a tablet, came home missing one of the pieces, so no, didn't win the tablet at all. Well, I did win it, but we lost the piece, so it's gone. Anyway, I'm popping on because I've had lots of questions, lots of inquiries about the course that starts on Friday, and I wanted to let you know what the answers to those questions are. So basically, I've had 3 girls actually ask me what's in the kits and can I send photographs. I haven't pieced together all the kits yet. I'm waiting on one more delivery, and that's due in tomorrow, and when it comes in I will be taking loads of photographs and showing you what's in the kits. But literally what you get in your hair extension kit is your scissors, your razor, your combs, your brush, your sectioning clips, your beads for nano beads, for micro beads, the needles and thread for sewing in the wefts. You get your training hair, you get your tripod, you get your doll head, you get your manuals, you get your videos. I know I'm missing something else. Anyway, I'll think about it. I'll figure it out anyway, but I'll show you all the videos tomorrow and the next day to show you what's in the kits. I'm really, really excited. The classes will start on Friday the 3rd in the Glasshouse Hotel in Tallaght from 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock. It'll run for 4 consecutive Fridays, so every Friday for 4 weeks. Plus you'll get videos to be looking at in between and assignments to do as well. But don't worry, there won't be anything too hard. And at the end then you'll be fully accredited and qualified in 5 types of hair extensions. I have opened the registration process for people that I've been dealing with already. So I've sent you all DMs, so check your DMs and you can register. I've already had a few girls register. So there's limited spaces left now at this stage. I will be opening up to the general public to register from tomorrow. So if you want to register for the course that's starting on Friday, you need to send me a DM and I'll send you the registry link, and other than that I'll make it live from tomorrow morning. I do require a €500 deposit before Wednesday to make sure that your place is just secured for you. And yeah, so if you have any questions or if you need any of the forms or help filling out the forms, just let me know. I'll DM you all the answers that need to go on the forms, and I'll send you the forms as well if you want to avail of the government funding option. So if you're on a PUP payment or an intro payment, there are funding options up to €1,000 for a train support grant, where you fill out the form, bring it to your intro office. Other than that, I think I've covered everything. So yeah, I'll be showing you all the kits tomorrow. I'll post pictures and I'll do videos of me putting all the kits together, and I'm looking forward to seeing all you girls on Friday the 3rd at 10 AM. So if you haven't yet registered, send me a DM and I'll send you the registration link. And have a fabulous Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the day.